Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the app lock in this device. So without any third party application we can easily set the app lock in this device. For this, go to settings and tap on security and privacy, then again scroll down, tap on app lock. Okay, so to set a app lock, first we need to create a privacy password. For this, turn on this option. Tap on settings to set a privacy password. Then here we need to enter a password, privacy password. So if you want to use different password type, select this option, use a different password type, and from here you can select any password type. So here I am going to select pattern, then draw the pattern, then again confirm the pattern. Then here we need to enter the answer of the security question. In case if you forgot your privacy password, using the security question answer, you can easily reset your privacy password. Tap on the tick symbol. And from the list of applications, you can select the application that you want to set the app lock. The first one I am going to set the app lock for Amazon, and the last one for photos. Now let me show you how it works. Now try to open the logged application Amazon. Now you can see they are asking for the privacy password. Draw the pattern. It is unlocked. Close it. Again open. You can see each and every time they will ask the privacy password. And the second application photos, you can see it will ask for the app lock. So simply in this way you can set the app lock in this device. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.